How to upload videos on YouTube. Now, in order to upload videos on YouTube, first of all, create your YouTube channel, and after creating your YouTube channel, tap into this plus button from the bottom. Tap in there and you will see a bunch of videos from your device. Just simply select the video which you would like to upload. Now, after selecting the video that you would like to upload, tap to next button, and after tapping in the next button, you can create a title for your videos, and also you can mention any channel in your title. After that, add a description from here, and now after adding the description in your video, you can change visibility for your video, and you can select audience from here. If you want to make the video for kids, just simply select yes, and if this video is not made for kids, simply select no. And then you can also age restricted video if you want, otherwise leave it. Then you can add the video to a playlist, you can select locations and all sort of other optional things that you can do with your video, and then tap to upload. And this way you can very easily upload your video in YouTube, and as soon as the uploading completes, your video will start to process and it will be uploaded. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.